Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Technology Explored. My name is Usman Chaudhary and in this video I will tell you how you can make a powerful wind turbine by using acrylic sheets. So keep watching this video till end. First of all, I have designed the whole thing on SolidWorks and this assembly is named as windmill. Total number of blades are 6 and this is the disk. So if you want to download these files, I will leave the download link in the description of this video, and where you will also find the DXF files for blade and disc for laser cutting. Let's get started by cutting 6 blades and 1 disc in 2 mm acrylic sheet on laser cutting machine. In case if you do not have laser cutting machine, you can make a printout on 1:1 scale and then you can mark on the acrylic sheet and then you can cut the acrylic sheet by yourself. Let's start the assembling whole project. So this is the disc in 5 mm thickness. These are the blades in 2 mm acrylic sheet thickness. So you will need total 6 blades and 1 disc. Then this 12-volt DC motor from car radiator fan. You can buy a used one from market. To make it work on low speed, you will have to modify it. So how to modify this motor? I have another video. I will leave the link to that video in the description of this video, so you can watch the video from there. You will also need 12 number of these M6 by 10 mm long screws. Let's start. First of all, remove these protective sheets from acrylic blades. Then assemble all the blades on the disc like this. Then use heat gun to heat this area of the blade and then tilt the blade and wait until it cooled down. In the same way, tilt all blades and then cut the threads of M5 by using hand tap in this hole of disc, as this is according to the motor shaft. Usually motors, these type of DC motors have M5 threads on their shafts. So you should have to verify the thread size before cutting the threads in this hole. Now finally attach the disc on the motor shaft so your project will be completed. So here is the assembled product. You can see I am going to test it on pedestal fan and I will put these LED light panels as a load on this windmill. So this is how you can make a wind turbine by using acrylic sheets. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions, please do comment below and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and sparing time.